welcome to our first cooking vid. We're gonna make some nice and warm grilled cheese. Start with your bread and then put some pepper jack cheese on there, American cheese, and some Colby Jack. And then you could also put some shredded cheese on there if you would. And if you would like, you could also cut it with a cup. Now once your grilled cheese is in a circle, you'll follow my steps. And if you chose not to cut it into a circle, you'll follow the same steps as well. Then you get your pan ready by spraying it with some oil. You set your oven to around 3. Now you're going to put your grilled cheese on the pan. Once your cheese is ready, flip it. Once your cheese is nice and melted, you can take it off the heat. Let's see the final result. Looks pretty gooey. Thanks for watching. See you on the next vid.